found this calligraphy fountain pen set at Five Below for $4. It comes with 6 different pen tips, 10 colors, and 2 pens. First thing I point out is that all the inks are still fluid. I've had a few kits over the years where at least 2 of the cartridges are dried up, but these are great. After a shake or two to get things flowing, the ink, well, it flows. It's not silky smooth, but it's okay. It doesn't skip around. After playing around a bit, I got used to the flow, but the slipperiness of the pen tip on the paper remained pretty unpredictable. If I knew how to do calligraphy, would I be able to use these? Sure, but with constant, careful, deliberate moves. I don't think it would ever get to the point of muscle memory taking over completely. That said, if you're looking for a calligraphy set for a random project, I'd grab this kit for $4 and absolutely skip the overpriced mid-level options at the big craft stores. Those are basically just a tiny scooch better than these. If you're looking for a really nice pen, I'd look online for around the $30 range to really start finding pens that are worth the price. Overall, this thing's good enough to play around with and cheap enough to let your kids take over them when you're bored. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy your writing project and get yourself to Five Below. You got all types of great stuff there.